Hey everybody, welcome to Girl Guitar. My name is Mandy Rowden and I'm going to give you a quick 101 on power chords. This is used in all kinds of music across the board, but it's also a very common first step. If you've been playing acoustic, you're trying to swap over to electric some, this is an awesome thing to know. So what we have to do is understand the note names on your E string and your A string. So if you don't know that yet, I would suggest you check out my video on the chromatic scale. That will fill all of that in for you, and then come back over here. The beauty of the power chord is that one shape covers us for all major and minor chords. So for example, I'm going to show you how to play an A power chord. I'm going to put my index finger here on the note A, the 5th fret of my E string. Then my ring finger goes to the 5th of the chord, which is always 2 frets higher on the very next string. And then my pinky is going to go right underneath that on the 7th fret of the D string. And that gives me the root of the chord, the 5th of the chord, and then the root again, an octave higher. We've eliminated the 3rd of the chord, and that gives us kind of this more gritty, sort of dirty sound, which is quite a bit different than potentially the A you learned first down here. What's great about this though is if I know where to put my first finger on the root, that same shape will create the chord wherever I go. So this is an A chord, this is a B flat chord, B chord, C chord, so on and so forth. If I can find the root, I add my ring and pinky finger, 2 frets higher on the next 2 strings, and voila, there's my power chord. Right hand speaking, you will only hit the strings you're holding down. Everything else is going to probably sound really bad, so stay off it. And traditionally, power chords are played mostly starting on the E string or the A string. It can be done on the others, but for starters, we're going to stay here. And that gives me all 12 major and minor chords on either string, and you can play so much rock and roll with that. This could really just keep you busy for a super long time. So have fun with power chords. If you want to learn more about what we're talking about in this video or girl guitar in general, you can check out girlguitaraustin.com, and you can also reach me through that website, and I would love to chat with you.